In this video, I'll show you how you can use AI to create easy, high-quality marketing videos with AI avatars, no filming, no actors, just pure AI power. You can use these short videos to market your designs on social media, drive traffic to your store or to your design on any of the print-on-demand platforms. Alright, for today's tutorial, I'm using a platform called 𝗗𝗟𝗏𝗧. Follow the following simple steps and you will have a polished video ready to share on social media in no time. But first, let's pick our design. You can use this method with any of the designs you have, either any published design or you can use any screenshots that you have of the design. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using one of the designs that is already on Amazon.com to show you how to implement this method. So this is one of the designs. We assume that this is your design. So let's take some screenshots of this design and copy the link for our tutorial. The first step is to open your browser and go to 𝗗𝗟𝗏𝗧, sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you will notice several features like avatar marketing videos, talking photo avatars, AI image creation, AI voice generation, and so on and so forth. For this tutorial, click on the avatar marketing video option. You will be greeted with a variety of AI avatars, each designed to look incredibly lifelike. These avatars not only sync their lip movements, but also deliver natural gestures and expressions. So browse through the avatars and select one that matches your brand's personality or your campaign's theme. Once you have chosen your avatar, you will have options for different outfits and poses. Pick one that fits your style. For this video, I'm going to pick this one and press confirm. Then you will be directed to a screen where you can paste the link of your design or upload any images directly. The website 𝗗𝗟𝗏𝗧 supports links from many different websites like Amazon and Shopify and Etsy. So for the first example, we're going to upload some images as if the design is not yet published. So I'm going to upload a couple of images of the design through the upload file button. I have 3 images of the design that I want. So I'm going to upload all the images. The images that I have, they represent different colors of the shirt. Of course, you can have different poses or different models wearing the t-shirt, and you can use with this method. So after uploading the screenshots, let's have a title for our product. I'm going to name it motivational t-shirt. Then the product details section. Just write the details of your product or of your design. For this case, I'm going to take the description of the Amazon product, and I'm going also to take a description of the material of the t-shirt and put it in the dedicated box. And 𝗗𝗟𝗏𝗧 is going to use this to create a dedicated text to promote the video with. Then press on the more options and choose one of the styles available on 𝗗𝗟𝗏𝗧. There are many styles for creating the video. Mostly they are done to create hooks and grab the attention of the audience based on the type of product you have. If you don't know what to choose, you can simply leave it on auto select by AI, and you will be provided with 3 different options as we're going to see in this video. There are many styles like storytelling style, science education style, daily life style, and so on and so forth. I'm going to leave it on auto select by AI. You can also add your target audience if you want. It's optional anyways. Then you can choose the video length. You can choose between 15 seconds to 50 seconds. And then you can also add your logo to be added to the video. And I'm going to add my logo for this tutorial. And then once you're ready, press on the generate button, and top view is going to create 3 different video shorts to use for marketing your design using the avatar that you have chosen. And here is our first video, and you can see that the text that has been created is visible. You can also edit any part of the text, and you can see the preview by pressing on the play button. Later on, I'm going to show you the final result with the avatars. This is a preview without sound. We can change, like I said, edit any of the text parts. So let's, for example, change this to grab viewers now from our store, and press on apply and preview to regenerate this result. And now we have 3 different results. We can export the result that we like, and this will take some credits from the credits that we have. Let's see the 3 different results that we got.
Guess what changed my mindset? This t-shirt boosted my confidence by 100%. Put it on and instantly feel uplifted. The quotes got me believing in myself. Never felt so sure about my goals before. Step 1. Grab this shirt and wear it. Step 2. Remind yourself to stay positive. Step 3. Keep going and never give up. It's like carrying a pep talk everywhere. Don't wait, uplift your spirit today. Give it to a friend and spread the vibe. Hit the link below and get yours now.
Avoid feeling down by wearing this tee. Confidence is a t-shirt away. Trust me, positivity boosts everything. Experience a daily mood lift. Believe more with every wear. Imagine waking up inspired every day. This design is a total exclusive. You'll stand out in any crowd. Perfect gift for friends needing a boost. Stay on top with the tee that talks. Ready for that next life challenge? Don't miss out. Grab yours quick.
Amazing, right? So that was a quick tutorial on how you can use topview.ai to create eye-catching AI videos that you can use to market your designs on social media. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for future tutorials. Thanks for watching.